Okay, so this question is checking to see if you understand some SQL, some structured query language. We've got some SQL here that's asking for us to search through this relational database, and we need to write down the results. So let's have a look. We've got a select statement, so we're trying to search for information, and we want to be able to see the name of the product, the quantity of the product, the postcode of the supplier. So let's just tick those ones. So we want to be able to see the product name, that's this field. We want to be able to see the quantity, that's this field. And we want to be able to see the postcode of the supplier. This from statement of the SQL sentence is telling you which tables we're searching from. So we're searching from both the product table and the supplier table. And where limits your search. So it's not every record in both of these tables. We just want to be able to see where the quantity is greater than 40. So the product quantity is greater than 40. So that's greater than 40, that's not, that's greater than 40, that is, that's not, and that is. And where the supplier name is trainers for us. So only where the the supplier is trainers for us, which is 51. So we only want to be able to see ones where a supplier code is 51. So that's that one, that one, that one, and that one. And this bit says where the product supplier code matches the supplier code, where these two numbers are matched. So if we have a look down, we've got the right supplier code but the wrong quantity. We've got the right quantity but wrong supplier code. This one matches both criteria, so that's we want that record here, and so does this one just here. So if we want to be able to see the right answers, we put them in the order we've got in the select thing here. So we want to be able to see the product name. I'll maybe type this rather than draw it. We want to be able to see comfy loafers. And then a comma to say that we've got the product quantity coming up next, which for comfy loafers is 43. And then we need the supplier postcode, which is RC235XA. And then we've also got another one. We want the army boots. The next thing coming up is the product quantity, which is 47, separated by a comma, and it's got the same supplier, so it's going to have the same supplier postcode, which is RC235XA. Move that so that you can see it. So let's quickly check through the SQL again. Select, these are the fields you want to be able to see. So we can see the product name, we can see the product quantity, we can see the supplier postcode. We're searching from the product table and the supplier table. Where the quantity is more than 40, that's these ones. Supplier name is trainers for us, which is just these ones. And where the supplier code matches the product code.